Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing a wonderful wildlife safari experience from Bannerghatta National Park near Bengaluru. If you would like to watch the complete detailed video, you can find the full video link in the description below. So right now you can see these beautiful zebras peacefully walking around the safari area. We spent around 2.5 minutes watching them closely. The black and white strips patterns looks absolutely amazing, especially against the green surroundings of the park. Watching the zebras move together calmly gives a very relaxing and natural wildlife experience. It almost feels like being part of an African safari. The national park is one of the most popular wildlife destinations near Bengaluru and is a great place for families, kids, and nature lovers. The safari allows visitors to experience wildlife from a safe distance while enjoying the beauty of nature and forest surroundings. Next, you can see the graceful samba deers for around 2 minutes. Samba deers are among the largest deer species found in India. They usually move calmly through the forest areas and known for their alert nature. Watching these deers peacefully resting and walking around the greenery adds a peaceful feeling to the safari journey. One of the best parts of the safari is the opportunity to enjoy animals in a more natural environment. The fresh air, greenery, and wildlife together make the entire experience memorable and relaxing. Now comes the most exciting part of the safari, the tiger sighting. For around 30 seconds, We were lucky enough to see this majestic big cat moving confidently around its enclosure. Tigers are powerful, beautiful, and truly one of the most fascinating animals to watch during any safari experience. Even a short sighting creates a thrilling moment for all the visitors. After the tiger, we also spotted a bear. Watching the deer moving around naturally was another exciting moment during the safari rides. Every animal sighting during the trip makes the experience more special and enjoyable. And now you can see this beautiful white emu bird walking around the zoo park area. Emus are large, flightless birds known for their long legs, fast running speed, and unique appearance. The white feathers make this emu look even more rare and attractive compared to the usual darker colored emus. Watching the emu calmly around the open areas was a very interesting part of this. These birds are naturally curious and active, which makes them fun to observe during wildlife visits. The peaceful surroundings and close views of the birds made this movement even more enjoyable during our trip to Bannerghatta National Park. So, hi friends, now we have arrived at one of the most peaceful and relaxing areas inside Bannerghatta National Park, the beautiful lake area. Right in the middle of the lake, you can see a large fountain with water rising high into the air, creating a wonderful and refreshing view. The sound of the moving water combined with the calm atmosphere around the lake makes this place feel very peaceful and relaxing. Around the lake, you can also see people enjoying boating with their family and friends. Watching the boats slowly move across the water adds a very calm and beautiful feeling to the entire environment. Many visitors come here not only for the safari experience but also spend some quiet time close to the nature. The cool breeze near the lake, greenery surroundings the water, and the relaxing atmosphere make this spot perfect for sitting peacefully and enjoying the moment. After exploring wildlife and walking around the park, this lake area feels like the perfect place to slow down, relax, and refresh your mind. If you enjoy peaceful nature spots, relaxing views, and calm boating experience, this area inside the park worth spending time at. It's a wonderful place to simply sit, enjoy surroundings, and experience the beauty of the nature from the busy city life. And now we have reached another fascinating part of the safari experience, where you can see multiple hippos relaxing inside the water. For the next few minutes, you can watch these huge animals, mostly submerged in the lake water, quietly resting and cooling themselves in the water. Every now and then, the hippos slowly lift their heads above the surface, giving visitors a closer glimpse of their massive faces and powerful presence. Watching them appear and disappear in the water feels very interesting and peaceful at the same time. Hippos spend a large part of their day inside water to stay cool and comfortable, especially during the warm weather. Even though they look calm and slow while resting, hippos are actually very strong and powerful animals. Seeing several of them together in one place create a truly unique wildlife experience during the safari park zoo visit. The calm water, peaceful surrounding, and the slow movements of the hippos make this area feel very relaxing to watch. Sometimes only their eyes, ears, and nose are visible above the water, while the rest of the body stays hidden underneath. Then suddenly, one of the hippos lifts its head high and moves around gently, creating ripples around across the water. Watching these giant animals quietly enjoying the water gives a very natural and soothing safari zoo experience. The entire atmosphere around the lake becomes calm, peaceful, allowing visitors to simply relax and enjoy the beauty of wildlife and nature together. This was definitely one of the most memorable and interesting moments during our visit to the Bannerghatta National Park. Seeing the hippos so closely in their water habitat made the zoo experience even more special and enjoyable. And now, next few minutes, you can enjoy watching these beautiful wild deer peacefully living inside the park surroundings. Some of the deer are sitting quietly and relaxing under the open sky, while others are slowly walking around the grassy area searching for food. You can also see a few of them gently feeding on fresh grass, enjoying the calm and natural environment around them. One of the most interesting parts to watch is how naturally the deer interact with each other. Some of the male deer are lightly playing with their horns, just common behavior seen among them in the wild. These playful movements make the safari or zoo experience even more enjoyable and realistic. You can also spot the baby deer moving closely beside the adults. Watching the young deers carefully follow the families around the park creates a very peaceful and heartwarming scene. The entire area feels very calm and relaxing with the greenery all around and the deer freely moving in the group. Moments like these remind us how beautiful wildlife and nature can be when animals are allowed to live peacefully in protected environments. This part of the zoo area gives visitors a chance to slow down, relax, simply enjoy the peaceful beauty of these graceful animals in their natural surroundings. Watching the deer rest, feed, walk around, and interact with one another was truly a wonderful experience during our visit to Bannerghatta National Park. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video. See you soon in the next video. Thank you so much guys. Enjoy. Bye bye. Take care.